full A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome to biology. It is nothing other than genes present in the DNA of the chromosome is responsible for all the characters in an organism. Chromosome is present in the nucleus of a cell. Each species has a definite number of chromosomes. There are 46 chromosomes in human beings. Of these, 44 are somatic chromosomes and 2 are sex chromosomes. A somatic chromosome pair contains 2 identical chromosomes. Thus, in a human beings, there are 22 pairs of somatic chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are of 2 types. They are called X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. Females have 2 X chromosomes and males have 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. That is, the genetic makeup of a female 44 plus XX and that of male is 44 plus XY. Now, we know that genes are responsible for hereditary characters, but organisms have certain characters that are differ from their parents. This is called variations. How this happen? One of the sources of variation is the crossing over of chromosome. Let us familiarize crossing over. During the initial phase of meiosis, chromosomes pairs and exchange their parts. This process is called crossing over of chromosomes. As a result of this, part of DNA crosses over to become the part of another DNA. This causes a difference in the distribution of genes. When these chromosomes are transferred to the next generation, it causes the expression of new characters in the offsprings. The chromosomes of parents reach the offsprings through gametes. When gametes undergo fusion, the combination of allele changes. This causes the expression of characteristics in offsprings that are different from parents. Thus, fertilization causes variations in the next generation. A sudden heritable change in the genetic constitution of an organism is called mutation. This may occur due to the defects in the duplication of DNA, certain chemicals, radiations, etc. Mutations bring about changes in genes which can be transmitted over generations and thus leading to variations in characters. Mutations have great relevance in evolution. Have you ever think the genetic mechanism that determines whether a child is male or female? Yes, we get the answer to this question because of genetics. Don't you remember the number of chromosomes in a human male? There are 46 chromosomes in human beings. Of these, 44 are somatic chromosomes and 2 are sex chromosomes. A somatic chromosome pair contains 2 identical chromosomes. Thus, in human beings, there are 22 pairs of somatic chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are of 2 types. They are called X chromosome and Y chromosome. Females have 2 X chromosomes and males have 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. That is, the genetic makeup of female is 44 plus XX and that of male is 44 plus XY. The XY chromosomes of the father determine whether the child is male or female. Child with XX sex chromosome is female and one with XY sex chromosome is male. What may be the reason for the difference in the skin color in people living in various parts of the world? Melanin, a pigment protein, imparts color to the skin. The rise or fall in the production of melanin is due to difference in the function of alleles of genes responsible for skin color. This is the reason for the color difference of human skin. It is not racial difference which makes the skin color dark or light. This is simply an adaptation to live under the sun. Races among mankind are only cultural. Biologically, all men are of the same race. Studies in genetics become meaningful only when one attains an awareness to consider all men equal without any racial discrimination. Hope that you all understood the basic concepts of genetics and let us meet in another interesting class of biology.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.